Hi there, my name is Mark, and today we're going to be making use of the VIM Substitute command over a range of lines. And what we're going to be searching for is these TeX $ delimiters used to denote inline math environments. And we're going to replace them with the more modern backslash parenthesis delimiters used by LaTeX. So if this sounds something that could be useful, then let's get teching. So the idea here is to replace these $ delimiters with the backslash parenthesis delimiter pairs. Now I'm going to bring up the VIM command line here with the colon and use the substitute command. Now the substitute command works over a range of lines. So for example, I could give it the line 540 here over which I would want to run the substitute command. I can also give it a range of lines. So for example, 540 to 545 inclusively, and I can see that those have been highlighted up in the buffer. Now, the substitute command does have a short form. It's just S, and in fact, if you want to select the entire buffer over which you'd like to use this command, you can use the %sign. But for this example, we are going to be substituting over the region of lines 540 to 553. Now we're going to place a slash and then enter the string that we'd wish to search for. So I'm going to just put search there for now and then slash the replace string. So let's decide what we want to search. And in this case, it's the $sign. Notice that I have to escape that $sign with the backslash. And we will start our replace string, which is going to be the backslash parenthesis delimiters. Notice that each of those backslashes needs to be escaped. All right, let's get back into our search here because I only have a $sign highlighted. We know that we're going to need a second $sign, so let's go ahead and do that with a backslash $sign. I have no matches. So now I'm going to include the text in between these, which is going to be surrounded by parentheses. And in this case, I actually need to escape those. And I'm just going to go $*, so any text between the $signs will be included as well. And now for the replace, I'm going to replace inside what is in the parentheses, and I can access that with a \1. Boom, it is done. I have replaced those $sign delimiters with the backslash parenthesis delimiters. That is just super fast and super quick. My name is Mark, and thank you for watching.